Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to lock or unlock home screen layout in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to lock your home screen layout, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to keep a long press on any empty place on your home screen and then select settings. In settings, you will get lock home screen layout. Just enable it, and after that you will not able to move any app from your home screen. Just like that, you'll get this type option. So if you want to disable or unlock it, so let's see how. Just keep a long press on an empty place on the home screen again, then open settings, and here just disable the settings. So that's how you can easily lock or unlock your home screen layout in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.